Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be saying about Amrita University cutoffs as per the trial allotment. So yesterday I've conducted a poll and most of you have answered that you need cutoffs for each slab, each campus and each branch. So in this video we are going to see the Amrita Puri campus cutoffs. So this is the part 1 and the other branches parts are coming very soon. So guys, this is the first part, so please watch each and every part and make sure you note down whichever the categories are falling under your particular rank. So let's go. So thank you to all who have helped me in filling up this form, and it helps each other. So all these cutoffs are based on the trial allotment. So trial allotment shows the probability of getting the best academic preference submitted by the candidate. It is not necessary that the candidate will be allotted the same academic preferences as allotted in the trial allotment, but it will almost be similar. So today 5 PM will be the last to change up the academic preferences. So the videos of all the campuses will be out by 11 AM in my channel, all the campuses. I'll try to make different parts based on ranks and all that so that you can analyze properly. Some stats, this is the data based on 400 students and 50% approximately got allotted, and in that 200 students 2:5 ratio got slab 1 to 3 and most of you have got slab 4. So, and also confirms that approximately 31k students have written, so it's like 35k according to the ranks that are submitted. So here most of you, even with good ranks, are not allotted. One, it could be an error from Amrita's side, and two, it is because of your preferences. You have not selected a lot of preferences, and or it might be even the thing that you have submitted wrong data to the Google form. But yeah, most of these people are no state quota students. The seats that are allotted to no state quota are very less, and the cutoffs also, you can see that there is a huge difference between state quota and non-state quota. So all these, like, there are so many, I just have kept some. You have not been allotted because of your preference order or something, so make sure you change your preferences so that you will have better chance of getting allotted. So all the data that you're gonna see is the cutoffs, that is the last rank who got that particular seat. So most of you have been thinking what is state quota and all that. So let me explain. If you're 12th class, you have studied it in Tamil Nadu, then your state quota belongs to Coimbatore campus and Chennai campus, like that. So if you are from Kerala state who have studied 12th class in Kerala, then you have state quota in Amrita Puri respectively. So we are going to discuss the cutoffs of all these in Amrita Puri campus. So I don't want to read this, so make sure you see this, and if your rank is falling in this particular category, make sure you note it down. So at the end, after seeing all the 4 campus videos, you can analyze what are the best possible things and you can set the preference order accordingly. So yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure you like this video. For seeing it really took very less time, but for analyzing all the data out of 400, it took me really lot of time. So please like the video and subscribe. Other videos will be coming soon within next 30 minutes. So make sure you watch them and finally decide yourself. Thank you.